Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this exponential equation 7 power x plus 8 equals to 8 power x plus 7. And now we are going to solve it for x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I'm going to share with you with two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. And I'm going to share with you the very first method. And now let's focus on this exponential equation. And I'm going to take the log on both sides, on the left hand side and the right hand side as well. And now let's recall the power rule. If we have a log of m power n, then I can drag this exponent n all the way at the very front, as you can see over here on the right hand side. We are going to apply this rule on the left hand side of this equation first. So this exponent x plus 8, I'm going to move it all the way to the very front. And likewise on the right hand side, I'm going to move this exponent x plus 7 to the front as well. So therefore I can write this one as x plus 8 times log of 7 is going to be equal to x plus 7 times log of 8. And now we are going to distribute log of 7 for both of these terms. Likewise, I'm going to distribute this one as well. And now I'm going to move this term to the right hand side, and at the very same time I'm going to move this term to the other side as well. As you can see in this next step, I have moved this x times log of 8 on the left hand side, and at the very same time I've moved this 8 times log of 7 on the other side as well. And now we can see on the left hand side x is in common. So therefore I'm going to factor out x outside. So log of 7 minus log of 8 is going to be equal to 7 times log of 8 minus 8 times log of 7. And in this next step, I have divided both sides by log of 7 minus log of 8, as you can see, in order to isolate x value. So therefore we can see this whole thing cancels out with this one. So therefore we are ended up on the left hand side, x is going to be equal to 7 times log of 8 minus 8 times log of 7 all over log of 7 minus log of 8. And in this next step, now we are going to find out the value of log of 8 and log of 7 by using the scientific calculators. And we know that log of 7 is approximately equal to 0.8451. And likewise, log of 8 value is approximately equal to 0.9031. And we are going to substitute those values over here, as you can see. As you can see in this next step, I have substituted those values. For log of 8, I have substituted 0.9031. For log of 7, 0.8451. And likewise, in the denominator, I have substituted those values over here as well. And now in this next step, I'm going to multiply these ones. So therefore we can write x is approximately equal to, when we multiply these ones, that is going to give us 6.3217 minus, and likewise we are going to multiply these one as well. So that is going to give us 6.7608 all over. And if we subtract these ones, that is going to give us negative 0.058. And now we are going to subtract these. So therefore we can write x is approximately equal to, at the numerator, that's going to be negative 0.4391 divided by, we already got negative 0.058. And if we simplify this one, that is going to give us x value is approximately equal to 7.571. So thus our x value turns out to be approximately equal to 7.571 by using the very first method. And now I am going to show you a little bit different approach. Before we proceed any further, let's recall this product rule of exponents. If we have a x power m plus n exponent, then this could be written as the product of x power m times x power n. And we are going to apply this rule on both sides of this exponential equation. So the left hand side could be written as 7 power x times 7 power 8 is going to be equal to 8 power x times 8 power 7. And in this next step, I'm going to divide both sides by 8 power x times 7 power 8, as you can see. And here we can see this 7 power 8 and this 7 power 8, they cancel each other out. And likewise on the right hand side, this 8 power x and this 8 power x, they are gone as well. So therefore we are ended up with 7 power x divided by 8 power x is going to be equal to 8 power 7 divided by 7 power 8. So therefore this could be written as 7 divided by 8 whole power x is going to be equal to 8 power 7 divided by 7 power 8. And now I'm going to take a log on both sides of this equation. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents once again. According to this rule, I can bring this exponent to the front. So therefore we can write x times log of 7 divided by 8 is going to be equal to. And now let's recall another rule of logarithm. Log of a divided by b is going to be equal to log of a minus log of b. So therefore the right hand side could be written as log of 8 power 7 minus log of 7 power 8. And in this next step, I am going to use this logarithmic rule on the left hand side once again. So the left hand side is going to be x outside. So this is going to become log of 7 minus log of 8 is going to be equal to. And we are going to use this power rule once again on the right hand sides as well. In other words, these exponents are going to move to the front, as you can see over here on the right hand side. And now we are going to divide both sides by log of 7 minus log of 8. So therefore we can cancel out these ones. So we are ended up with the x at the left hand side. And now let's make an observation. Our next few steps are exactly same as we did in our previous method. And our x value turns out to be approximately equal to 7.571. So thus our solution x is approximately equal to 7.571. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.